Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, let's try to fix this MDH error which I'm facing. So as you see, the error message says that the test run for this process has failed with the following error. The error message is an update batch from source NS for the universe with ID cannot be accepted for processing because the source is not yet marked as one that can send updates unknown failure. So let's try to see what are the things that we can check and fix this issue. So let me click on the close. And to give you a background, what I've done is I've just created a student model just now, and I have attached this NetSuite source, which is configured to both contribute and accept. So I have built an integration process. So I've placed a static message here. Basically, this is my NetSuite source data. So you can assume. And while I'm trying to load the data into this particular domain, it is giving me that error. So what are the things that we can check in this scenario is, let's go to the, so we are here in the repositories and in the student model. So if you observe the status of the source, here the icon is in gray color, which means that this source is neither loaded with any data nor, it is not enabled to load any data. So what we have to firstly do is you will have to enable the initial load for the source. So as you see, now the icon is changed to blue, which means that the source is enabled for the initial load. So let's try to run this process now and see if this resolves that particular error. So as you see, the process is now successfully completed, and we have sent these two records to that particular source. So if you go to MDH screen now, so this is basically a student data, the department and the university details. So if you go to the golden records tab, so you can see the two records, the student records, which got created successfully. So this is how you fix the reported error. So you'll have to go and check the status of your source, whether it is whether the initial load is enabled or not, in order to fix this kind of issues. So I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.